Hello, hello. So this is just a quick little video to let you know how to use this Padlet. So you're looking at this course and you're like, what is this thing? So let me show you what it is. It's actually a pretty cool tool. Uh, do, do, do. Okay, so this is a Padlet. All right, now most likely you're looking at a screen kind of like this. You'll see at the very top here, it has start. And this is for one of my short story self-paced courses. But shout out to that. But you basically can use this to kind of understand. So this is the first video. So this is how do I do this class? And then it's just going to tell you every single time something to write on and something to write with. And then after that, it's going to give you a brief overview. So that's why it says start here. For this one, it's got like, curriculum information for the parents and things like that. But then you have the option. So this isn't first, second, third, and fourth, unless you're on the final grid line where you see all of the classes together. You can jump around, and I really encourage you to jump around. One of the things that I'll tell you is that for Padlets, you have the option to press this button up here, which is slideshow. And I kind of don't recommend that you use that particular button, only because when you do, sometimes the information itself kind of gets like cut off a little bit and it looks kind of weird. So going through it on, yeah, I don't know. It's like you go like that. And then like if you looked at that, it doesn't start automatically and you might press play, but then sometimes it gets cut off. So I just suggest that you don't do it in that view. When you do it, you kind of like lose some information. So I encourage you to just kind of jump around. Most of my Padlets include like extension activities and things like that. But this Padlet is supposed to be where you basically click on the thing and then it will come up and it'll play.
So I apologize. I
And
have
then apparently I'm apologizing in that one. And then so you've also got things like if you click on this, it'll give you some notes to take a look at, stuff like that, right? So this is it's just a Padlet. That's all it is. So it's a way of learning. It's in school they called these choice boards. Oh, sorry. In school, they called these choice boards. And so all it's meant to do is to give you the option to kind of keep you engaged. Because one of the things about learning is if it is very linear, a lot of brains, hi, me, my brain, we don't like that. We don't like linear thinking. We like this kind of like, I call it web-based thinking, but it's kind of like being able to see everything all at once and kind of pick and choose. Like that looks interesting to me now. That looks interesting to me now. I'm going to dive into this. And once you find a thread, cool stuff can happen. So that's all this Padlet is. You're just going to like click on the different tiles. If you want, call them tiles, call them buttons, call them note cards. But those little squares, you're going to click on those and it's going to take you wherever you want to go. Explore. Find out what it is that you're here to find out.